The owners were really great. We were half an hour over the estimated time of arrival due to traffic, but I called to let them know and they waited for us. Nothing seemed to be a problem. The location is amazing for Excel, also super close to the two main shopping centers.
The bathroom was on the small side and the shower was super hot, which I couldn't /turn down, but that / is just me being really picky. Definitely didn't / affect our stay in any way.
The landlord was very friendly and helpful with regards to information regarding the apartment and transportation to various sites. The apartment was lovely and clean and very close to the tube station. There is a bus stop right outside the apartment and plenty of local shops.
We couldn't find the property initially and weren't able to get in touch with anyone to get directions. The microwave was dirty and there were some stains on the sheets.
A nicely furnished, airy apartment with all the facilities needed for a short or long stay. Free parking right outside. Friendly greeting from Chelsea and Lynn makes this a good option.
Reservation was done for 3 persons, but one blanket was missing. It was kind of cold at night without a normal blanket.